Welcome to our quick guide on how to assign Okta Administrator roles to a group. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to the Okta Admin console. Once you're there, click on Security and then Administrators. Now you'll see an Overview tab. Click on Add Administrator there. Next, you'll need to find the group you want to give admin powers to. Just type the group's name in the Select Admin search box. After that, pick the admin role you want this group to have. Here's a cool part. If you've chosen a standard role, you can click Edit to specify exactly what apps or groups the group's members can manage. Or you can let them have control over everything in the organization. Thinking of adding more admin roles? Simply hit the plus Add Assignment button. Remember, you can add up to 3 standard role assignments at a time. All set, just click Save Changes at the top to make everything official. After saving, click on Admins and View Groups, and we can see the updated group admin list. And that's it. You've successfully assigned administrator roles to your group members. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.